Cooking channel. This is Vidyalakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this protein rich salad. I call it the protein salad. I've used paneer in this and I've prepared a vegetarian version. For this recipe, I've already cleaned the lettuce ahead of time, washed it twice, shredded it, allowed it to dry on a cloth, and then I've reserved it in a bowl. I've also chopped all the veggies and cleaned it and reserved. So the broccoli I've removed the florets, parboiled it and reserved. Paneer I've cut into finger length strips. Onions you have to slice. Bell peppers you need to chop into cubes. And you just prep all these ingredients ahead of time. I'll be using salad oil and a very simple dressing. So let's get started. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I'll be adding oil. You can use any oil. Here I'm using sesame oil. So I'll be heating the sesame oil till it smokes. Now once the oil has reached temperature, I've added my broccoli. So the broccoli is already cleaned and reserved. I've posted a detailed recipe how to clean cauliflower and broccoli. So prepare that ahead of time. Now we'll be frying the broccoli in the sesame oil for 2 minutes. When you fry the broccoli, it adds flavor and taste. So I'm going to be adding the bell peppers and onions, and I'll fry the onions and bell peppers. You can add all of this raw when the broccoli is parboiled, but if you're serving this for elderly people, it is very difficult to digest. So I tend to fry it a little bit and then serve it. So the digestion process is easier. You can serve it raw if you prefer it raw. So now I've fried the bell peppers and onions. I'll be adding the paneer and I'll add chili flakes, salt and pepper powder. We'll fry all of this for another 2 to 3 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog post is posted. How all I have prepped all the ingredients and what to do ahead of time is listed in my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now here in a small teacup I've added pepper powder, salt and lime juice. I'll also be adding salad oil. We'll combine all these 3 ingredients and this is going to be our dressing. For regular updates, friends, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now in a salad bowl, I've layered one layer of lettuce leaves. Now I'm just going to top it with the salad dressing. And I've allowed the stir-fried veggies to cool down completely. Once it is cooled down, I'll layer the veggies on the salad. So here I've added the salad dressing on top of the lettuce leaves, just a few drops. And now I'll layer the salad leaves with the veggies. So this is a very simple recipe. It's high in protein and it's very delicious. This is a complete meal on its own and it's diabetic friendly. Even kids will really love it because the paneer is very nice and tasty in this. The combination of paneer and bell peppers is something that I really enjoy. So do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. The salad turned out so good. We had only the salad for lunch. It was very nice and light and very healthy. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.